Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a birthday moon face edit on Instagram, TikTok, or TikTok. So if you're obsessed with the moon face trend on Instagram and TikTok, this tutorial will show you how you can create that dreamy couple moon face on birthday moon face edit that's take over reels and stories. So in here, to find you and your partner moonface, you can just go to this page, yourmoonface.com, and then you can just enter your birth date and also your partner birthday. Here, after you enter the birthday, you can just tap on this moon icon, and you'll find the moon face in here. And if you want to save the image in here to create the wallpaper, you can just tap on the image in here. You can here click on open image in a new tab, or you can just long press on it and then tap on download image directly. You can repeat these tabs and then save your moon face and also your partner moon face, this one's right here. And then you can open any photo editor that you want. You can use PicsArt, Epic, or InShot or anything. Here I'm going to just use PicsArt. Okay, so here I'm going to open PicsArt. Then you can just tap on a plus icon and start your edit with a black background. So choose a black background here. You can go to the color backgrounds and choose the black one in here as the background. Okay, I'm going to change the size so it fits into a TikTok or Instagram stories. Here I'm going to change it into story, this one. Tap on a check icon, and now you can just swipe until you find the options to add photo. Let's just add the moon face photo of you and your partner. So this is the first one, and the second one, this is me and my partner moon face. Now you can just adjust the size and also the positions to how you like it. Like this, for example, you can combine your moon face photo just like this to how you like it. Okay, so once you're done, you can tap on this drop down, this arrow down to save it, and you can share it to your Instagram or TikTok directly. So that's all for me. That's how you can create this moon face birthday moon face edit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.